So, good morning guys. Gusto ko lang i-share. Galing ako sa vehicle testing dito sa Almizar and kudos to the staff. Sobrang accommodating and sobrang bilis ng process. Wala pa sigurong, yung testing wala pang 10 minutes. Tapos yung pagbayad ko, ang bilis din. Wala pang 5 minutes. Siguro, nakarating ako at nakaalis ako doon within 30 minutes or less. So anyway, starting June 2, 2025, naglabas sila ng bagong process for renewing your vehicle. So it is mandatory to have an appointment to have your vehicle tested. Unless you're exempted if you are senior citizen or you are a person with determination. Okay? Otherwise, you have to pay or you have to have the appointment. Or there's another option. You can walk in without the schedule, but you have to pay additional 100 dirhams. So on top of the normal vehicle testing fee, which is 170 dirhams, you have to pay additional 100 for walk-in. Okay? And yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share para alam nyo. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, hindi naman lahat kasi siguro naka-alam. So at least this is the information. So yun lang. Thank you for watching.